Hello viewers, today I'm going to prepare a custard cake. This is a simple cake made without oven. So this aluminium vessel is the one which we are going to bake the cake. So I'm going to add some salt to it. Add the salt and put on high flame for 10 minutes and then to low flame until you prepare your batter. And next we are going to move to the ingredients. Taken 4 eggs, the egg white and egg yolk, and then the powdered sugar 1 cup, flour 1 cup, custard powder 2 tablespoons, baking powder 1 teaspoon, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. And make sure that there should be no water in the bowl before mixing the egg yolk and egg white. That means the bowl should be completely dry. Now let's move on to the mixing of the egg white. I'm just mixing this with a beater. You can use your hand to beat the egg white. Beat it until it becomes fluffy. The egg whites are now fluffy and stiff. So next we are gonna move to the egg yolks. I'm gonna mix this egg yolks with the beater, and in between I'm gonna add some powdered sugar. Make sure you add the powdered sugar little by little. So I'm just mixing the powdered sugar again and gonna mix it again with the beater. We have a creamy egg mixture here. Next we are gonna add the custard powder to this and mix very well. Next we are gonna mix the egg white and this egg yolk mixture and give a good fold with a spatula. Now I'm gonna add the flour and the baking powder which I have mixed earlier. Now I'm gonna add this to the egg batter and then mix it very well. I have mixed the vanilla essence and now I have given a good mix. Okay, I'm gonna add this batter to the cake tin. The cake tin has already been put with a butter paper at the bottom, and now I'm gonna put it in the aluminium vessel which is already preheated. Just keep it and close the lid and cook till it's baked. It took me around 35 to 40 minutes to bake this cake. The cake is done. The cake is soft, smooth and spongy type. Now let's move this cake to the plate. Okay, now I'm moving the cake from the cake tin to a plate and I'm removing the butter paper from the bottom of the cake. The cake is cooked very well, not burnt, and it's soft and smooth. The cake is perfect. See the texture of the cake. It's so soft and smooth and spongy. Next, I'm gonna cut the cake into 2 slices. The cake is cooked very well and it's so soft and smooth. Next, I'm gonna prepare some layering to the cake, and I'm just gonna add some 2 tablespoons of cocktail jam and mix some strawberry syrup, and I'm gonna mix it well. Spread this jam mixture to the cake evenly. You can add some whipping cream also. And now I have put the cake upside down so that it looks perfect. And next, I'm gonna dust some icing sugar on the top of the cake. The cake is so perfect, cooked very well. You can try this recipe without the oven. Just try the recipe and let me know in the comments. In between, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.